Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the new features that's going to be launched very soon. So right now we're adding here a new option within the menu. So if you click here on My Settings, you already know that there are already 3 options. However, we're adding a new feature here where you can see how many tasks still needs to be done. So how many tasks are open. And in this case right now, you can see here there are 2 tasks open. So the task is like a to-do list where you can find all your to-dos, and basically every day it will show you how many are open. And of course, your goal is to complete them all. You or your agents, so their agents will also see all of their tasks, and the general tasks, they will see all the tasks in total they need to do. Yes. And what's really good of this is this will keep your agents focused on important matters. So let's go back to the booking manager. And in the booking manager, you have the to-do section. So if you see here the to-do section, we have here 2 tasks. These 2 tasks are matched with this. So the moment you will check mark this, right now it's not yet active, but once you will check mark this, and you've done this as well, the amount of tasks disappear and will be 0. And of course, what will happen if you would add a new task? So let's go to this booking from Ramil, and we would click here on add a task. Once you add a task, you click on add task. Then at that very moment, that task has been shown here as well as a new task that is open. The goal with this is really to make sure that your agents are paying attention and also make sure that they are completing all the work that they need to do. And that's really important. So this is really a useful tool if you have more than one agent and everyone needs to know what do we need to do, what are the priority tasks. In here you can see everything, you can see the tasks that everyone needs to do, and that saves you a lot of time and effort. And that's really it. It's an easy way to organize your travel agency and organize the staff in what they need to do. So, are you interested in CouponBet and you want to organize your travel agency? Go to couponbet.com and register now. We have some great news, and that is that CouponBet is becoming free. So from now on, it is free. Once you hit the 500,000 in bookings, from that moment on, there's a charge. However, if you're new, just try it and experience it. You can do a long time with it, and you can experience really how useful this is. So organize your travel agency right away and register now.